The YouTube algorithm is brutal. Even before your video gets a chance to be watched, a scroller has to decide whether your video is worth watching. Your thumbnail has to make them stop and then click. If you can't do that, you can't win the view. Top creators already know this. Titans like Mr. Beast openly admit to spending up to $10,000 making a single thumbnail and testing 40 variations per video. The thumbnail completely dictates whether or not people watch your video. Get it right and you will get the early traction that will show your video more often in the feed and get you the reach you need. Up until now, small creators and independent businesses had a big problem. They were forced to either pay expensive design teams or settle for generic boring AI templates generated by ChatGPT that simply don't move the needle. That problem disappears today.
Introduction. What if I told you that one AI tool could create professional click-worthy YouTube thumbnails in under 30 seconds without Photoshop, without hiring a designer, and without any graphic design skills? Imagine getting more clicks, more views, and more subscribers simply by improving the first thing people see before they watch your video. Sounds interesting? Then stay with me because today I'm reviewing Thumble AI, and by the end of this video, you'll know whether it's the right AI tool for your YouTube journey. Introduction-y everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tahir, and in today's video, I'll be giving you an honest review of Thumble AI. If you enjoy discovering the latest AI tools, software reviews, and affiliate marketing opportunities, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my future videos. And if you find this review helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and fellow content creators. Now, in this review, we'll cover everything you need to know, including what Thumble AI is, how it works, its best features, the pros and cons, pricing, and whether it's actually worth your money. But before we dive in, I have something special for you. If you purchase Thumble AI through my link in the description, you'll receive my exclusive bonus bundle absolutely free, including bonus number 1, email marketing, mastery guide bonus number 2, social media content, pack bonus number 3, list building, profit bonus number 4, digital marketing video, course bonus number 5, AI marketing video course bonus. Number 6, Top 20 AI Tools Bundle 2026. These bonuses are designed to help you generate more traffic, build your email list, improve your marketing skills, and grow your online business even faster. So make sure you watch this review until the end, because I'll also show you exactly how to claim all of these bonuses. Now, without wasting any more time, let's jump into the review and see what Thumble AI has to offer.
Thumble, the ultimate shortcut to massive YouTube traffic and growth. Thumble is an all-new AI that automatically creates high-quality, click-magnet thumbnails that grab attention instantly and force people to stop scrolling. You don't need to hire expensive graphic designers, write complex ideas, or spend hours inside complicated editing apps. Thumble does all the heavy lifting for you, giving you winning designs in just a few clicks with zero design skills. Most tools give you generic, boring designs that just don't work. Thumble is different. It looks at what is actually getting views on YouTube right now, and all you do is type in your video topic and you get an awesome, eye-catching thumbnail made exactly for your niche. You can even copy the style of the biggest channels on the planet, turning their winning formulas into fresh original designs that finally get you the views you deserve. Want to give it a personal touch? With just a single photograph, Thumble automatically cuts, balances, and blends your photos seamlessly into the scene, creating high-impact face thumbnails that increase clicks by up to 38% without any photography required. YouTube rewards videos that get clicks. It's that simple. With Thumble, you can create as many different thumbnail styles as you want in just seconds. This lets you try out different looks, test what works best, and find the perfect winner. Plus, you can make both horizontal thumbnails for long videos and vertical ones for shorts, giving you a massive wave of traffic across YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. Best of all, you don't have to use this just for your own channel. If you run a marketing agency or work with clients, Thumble opens up a massive new way to make money. Almost every business relies on video marketing today, and they're all desperate for thumbnails that actually get clicks. With commercial rights included, you can start your own thumbnail creation service overnight and deliver awesome results to clients on autopilot. Thumble's got everything you need to create killer thumbnails easily, an ever-growing library of thousands of thumbnails on every topic, a powerful AI engine that uses multiple AIs to give you the perfect results, and the power to modify and customize any thumbnail in seconds. This is the ultimate tool in a YouTuber's arsenal that makes YouTube success and growth easy. Get Thumble and start creating those scroll stoppers that turn you and your clients into YouTube winners. You've arrived here at a perfect time. Thumble's at a special sale right now, and you can grab it for a super special price, a price you may not find again. Take the opportunity, claim your Thumble, and start creating winning thumbnails that explode your CTR and help you get the YouTube success you deserve. Your investment is fully protected by a rock-solid 30-day satisfaction guarantee, and if you're not happy with the surge in your click-through rates and viewership, you get every single cent back. Stop letting weak designs destroy your channel's potential. Claim your instant access below and unleash a massive wave of organic traffic with Thumble today.
Pricing at the time of recording, the front-end version of Thumble starts at around $37, with optional upgrades available for users who need more credits, higher limits, or additional licenses. Always check the sales page for the latest pricing and available offers, as launch pricing can change. Final verdict: so, is Thumble AI worth it? If you're creating YouTube content regularly and want to save time while producing more attractive thumbnails, then I think it's definitely worth checking out. It's especially useful for beginners and marketers who want a faster workflow without learning complex graphic design software. Just remember that while AI can speed up the process, your video's topic and thumbnail concept still play a major role in getting clicks. If you decide to purchase Thumble AI through my link below this video, you'll also receive my exclusive bonus package completely free. These bonuses are designed to help you grow your YouTube channel and improve your online marketing results even further. Just use the link in the description to claim everything. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future AI software reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating!